Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw from OPay Target Savings. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to withdraw from an OPay Target Savings, you will need to first of all break the target, which will transfer your funds to your Flex wallet. So simply log in into your OPay account and then navigate to your savings, that is particularly your target savings. You can usually find this under a savings or investment section. Now locate the specific target you want to withdraw from and select the break target or a similar option that indicates you're breaking the saving goals. This will transfer the funds to your OPay Flex wallet. Now from the Flex wallet itself, you can then transfer the funds to your desired account. You can simply choose to transfer to your bank account, another user's OPay account, or even another account supported by the platform. Now simply authorize the withdrawal with your 4-digit PIN and then you are all set to go. So this is how you can withdraw from your OPay Target Savings. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.